What if your body isn't just responding to the food that you eat and the workouts that you do? What if it's also responding to the beliefs that you have about yourself? Because every thought that you think isn't just energy, it's a chemical command to your cells. Your body is always listening to you every second of the day. We've been taught that DNA defines everything, your shape, your metabolism, your potential, but that's actually not how it even works. Modern science now shows that your genes aren't fixed blueprints. They're more like switches, and it's your environment, including your emotions and your perceptions, that decide which ones turn off and which ones turn on. This is what Dr. Bruce Lipton calls epigenetics. He discovered that the environment surrounding a cell, not the DNA itself, determines how it behaves. And that environment isn't just the air that you breathe or the food that you eat. It's the emotional frequency that you live in. It's your perception. It's who you are. And this is so powerful because if you believe that your body is broken, your biology receives that signal. When you believe I'm becoming stronger, healthier, and radiant every single day, your cells begin to reflect that belief. Your mind is the command center of your biology. Neuroscience proves this connection too. In a study from the Cleveland Clinic, participants were divided into two groups. One physically trained their biceps and one only imagined flexing them. The results were incredible. The group that only visualized the movement still increased their strength by 13.4% with no physical exercise. When you visualize a movement, your brain fires the same neural pathways as if you were physically performing it. This is called motor imagery, and it strengthens your mind to muscle connection. That means your brain is literally training your body through thought alone. And your body is not waiting around for you to take action. It begins preparing for what you believe is coming. So when you vividly imagine your dream body, you're already activating the physiology that creates it. One way to easily test this is to simply imagine a lemon in your hand and just close your eyes and just imagine how a lemon would feel in your hand. Imagine it bright yellow, and then imagine yourself taking a large bite of that lemon. If you were to do so, your mouth would start to salivate. And this is because your brain does not know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. And your mouth was preparing for that extremely sour lemon. And I know that you've probably heard this kind of thing before, so you just kind of glaze over it. But let's talk about how to actually apply it. So before your next workout, I want you to close your eyes for just 30 seconds. Imagine yourself at the end of your workout feeling so proud of yourself, extremely sweaty with a huge pump, and then I want you to take the first step towards actually acting as if. So maybe that's putting your gym clothes on. Maybe that's taking your pre-workout. Taking 30 seconds to visualize whatever it is that you need to do if you're feeling hesitant of doing it before the fact will help you prime your nervous system for success. Or even in everyday moments when you catch yourself looking at your reflection in the mirror and you instantly want to criticize your body, immediately pause, relax your shoulders, and take a deep breath and replace that thought. Replace it with something positive. My body is responding beautifully. I'm so proud of my progress. These tiny shifts change your chemistry and teach your cells what to become. You're not forcing belief, you're conditioning your body to follow it. And auto-suggestion or affirmations are very powerful. Every reflection that you see, every result in your body and your life is simply delayed feedback from your previous identity. It's a very simple sequence. You have beliefs. These beliefs generate emotions. These emotions are chemistry within your body, and this chemistry creates a physical expression. That's the loop. This is how thought becomes matter. Your outer transformation is simply your inner rehearsal made visible. And this is why positive thinking alone doesn't work, because your subconscious doesn't just follow your words, it follows your state. your physiological state. So if you affirm, I'm confident, while your body is very tense or anxious, your nervous system believes the tension, not the statement. So this is why we regulate first. We take deep breaths, we ground ourselves, and then rehearse the new belief. That's how it becomes your default. I personally love emotional freedom techniques. You simply use your hands to tap on meridian points on your face and upper body, and this is how you're going to release emotions that are stored within your body, as well as desensitize yourself to old programming, to old beliefs, and ingrain new positive beliefs. You can't hate your body into changing. You can't shame your way to discipline. You have to create safety around transformation because the body only evolves in a state of trust. And the simplest application can be just you tapping below your collarbone. And you could just say statements like, it is safe to be seen. It is safe for me to change. I'm safe. Everything's always working out for me. When the body feels safe, it becomes limitless. So the next time that you doubt your progress, remember that your body is always listening to you. So start talking to it like it's your partner, not your project. This is where awareness comes in, because every thought, every emotion, every repetition of a belief is reshaping you from the inside out. Keep in mind, your mind is the command center and your body is the reflection. And when the two align, you literally can become unstoppable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you get access to my Dream Body Framework. It's a free mini course where I help you reprogram your mind, regulate your nervous system, and reshape your body. And remember, it's already yours. You're just one energetic shift away.